Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something brand new from Maruchan, USA. We have Fireball. The Fireball. So what do? You gotta rip the lid off completely because this sucker's going in the M wave. Yeah. The lid off. You got 2 sachets. One marked 1, one marked 2. Sachet marked 1 goes in the bowl. And then it's room tap water up to the line, huh? Where's the freaking line? Right there. Okay. And then a 3-minute spin. Engage! And at the end of the 3 minutes, we throw this sucker in there. And I gotta say, this is one of the neatest looking little sachets ever. I love the design. The color is red. It's very, I don't know. It just seems kind of like French provincial meets future. This is very Star Trek. Honestly, that's what I see when I see this. You might be like, what the frickin' heck are you talking about? You're high, dude. You know what I'm talking about. We've done this before. You were here before. Weren't you? Don't you know where we are right now? Or have you forgotten? Oh well. But yeah, it's microwaving right now. And I'm gonna do a mukbang. I'm gonna do a mukbang in a Star Trek uniform, ladies and gentlemen. It's gonna be done. Fireball in a red shirt. It can't turn out well, really. I mean, if you're not keen on Star Trek, basically anybody wearing a red shirt other than Scotty dies. So, the haggis is in the fire for sure. Indeed. But it's supposed to be spicy, but I've heard that at least the yakisoba isn't like mind-numbingly. Buddy of mine said, it's not really a challenge noodle, but then again, I've done challenges, I've done my show Spicy Noodle Mukbang with Canadian Walmart and Canadian Mr. Noodle Spicy Chicken. They're not spicy in the slightest, and people with no sense of humor will go onto my YouTube vids and go, dude, that's not even spicy. It's like, no way. Really? But whatever. I think this will have some kind of kick to it. And what I really like is the fact that it's spicy beef. I'm very curious to see if it's like a just a spicy beef flavor, or if it's more leans toward like a spicy Chinese braised beef, that would be interesting. But I mean, they're a Japanese company, but since it's in the U.S. market, it wouldn't surprise me if they had some maybe Chinese food scientists at Maruchan that are working on stuff. Hey, we're gonna let it sit for a minute. Have I mentioned lately how much I really like our microwave? It's new. I mean, we've had it for a few months now, but compared to, I mean, the last microwave we had, I got 10 years ago? No. I got it like in 2002. So it was like 17 years old. It was almost an adult. Had to go. Yeah. Oh, I'm very curious about this one. I'm hoping it's good. I hope. Boy, oh boy, do I hope it's good. I'm surprised though, because it's like, oh. Okay, let me turn this light on too, because I think we need some more light. It is hot. Hot. Come on. I have bad luck with these easy open things because it says easy on it, and anything that says easy on it isn't easy for me. Wow. Whoa. Oh, weird. That has a funny smell. Whoa, what? Okay, right now I'm getting a lot of different sensations from the scent of this. First I was getting a lot of like chili powder and cumin, and then almost like black tea. I'm getting like mushroom, but I'm not getting any semblance of a spicy beef instant noodle smell. Now I'm very curious about this. Let's give this sucker a try. Now, one thing you should know, when you microwave these things, they are freaking hot. I mean, ooh. Wow, dude, what are you talking about? That has some kick to it. There's the broth. It's full of something. It needs something. It desperately needs something, because the way where it's at right now, it's just like, oh, it's not too friendly. It's like, it's definitely spicy, and that's about all. Wow, I mean, and it is. It's got a good kick to it. Not at all what I expect usually from a U.S. Something spicy from the States. But it's there. It's a mukbang, but I'm gonna throw in some mung bean sprouts and spring onion just to keep things sane. Because you gotta have something along with it. Those generally don't mess with the flavor, and I got a little bit of beef. A little bit of beef. I've already accounted for it on MyFitnessPal, my dietary tracking application that I use all day, every day. Well, that didn't snip too well. I wish I had a Star Trek fork and a Star Trek spoon. Or a spork. I could call it Mr. Spork. Wouldn't that be nice? If the world were a better place, I would have that. I would have always had that. It's kind of a non sequitur that I would have had that. I used to have a Star Trek marshmallow dispenser. I know, that's weird. Indeed, it's weird. And then I got, let's do some black sesame seeds. Make it look a little more foreboding. There we go. Anything else? Oil? I got oil, I got shichimi, I got red pepper. I think we're good. All right. No dividing. Oh, come on, I need a good song. Noodles. All right, well, that's that. This is gonna go in my gut. It's gonna be a mukbang. Go look for it. If you're seeing this video, most likely that mukbang is published and out. So go look at the Ramen Ramen Raider on YouTube and the playlist Spicy Noodle Mukbang. And hey, this has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.